We'll discuss what is Scrum and all this framework, yeah. But tomorrow, company and organization are going to the CI, right? Not even continuous integration. Multiple build and deployment per day. Alright, it go to your dev and QA environment, your internal before it goes to the production, and then you can think about CI, continuous integrations. You integrate into the productions, and we integrate into productions on daily basis. Then we go for continuous delivery. Then we think about DevOps, right? And then we think about scaling Agile in an enterprise level, right? In an enterprise, when the vision or vision themes close, then it goes to the portfolio level, right? Portfolio organization portfolio. Then it goes to the value stream level. Then it goes to program level, and then it goes to team level. We are in the team level now. So it's a constant journey. Don't think that we'll make it. There is a lot of things is required for Agile to be successful. Number one is that automations. Infrastructure, environment, people mindset or the team mindset, all these are the important aspects in enabling Agile. And as a Scrum Master, what you have done? You are a change agent, you are the Scrum Master, right? You are the guardian of Scrum, Agile principles. So what have you done so far? Or just in my designation is Scrum Master.
No, it's not like that. We used to report
comparison, yeah? It's a team's responsibility to track the burn down chart. You as a Scrum Master, you should make sure that at least one thing you can do is two things in fact. Just to add, since we are discussing, make sure that team is maintaining the tools, right, or the data correctly on daily basis. So there are so many techniques for how you track or do that. And because most of in my experience, what happened in one of my US customer or US client, when I was in Agile coach, one of the Scrum Master called me, Pratap, can you join the call? I joined that call. I was a mute chicken. Yeah, the chicken and pig concept? We'll discuss that one later.
I don't understand.
It's a flat hierarchy. What SAP lab it happened, I'm the software engineer, I'm the senior software engineer, someone said the project leader, and someone said that I'm the PM and solution architect and all, right. So what did SAP lab? They made it flat, actually. They made a cross-functional team. There is no concept of, it's a flat hierarchical organization. There is no called as delivery manager, no one will be called as PM, product managers, right? So all will be converted into a capacity based model. Like say for example, you are a one team, you are a cross functional team, you have a dev, you have make sure that all the components are inbuilt. So the first thing, if you want to do change in your organization, forming a team, right, and that team should be the cross functional. Earlier what happened, vertical slice, development, UI, testing and all it was happening, right, that flow. But now what happened, instead of taking all these verticals, we take the horizontal slide. We take the development, we take the UI, we take the UX, DB and testing, all is a single component. And that called as a cross-functional team. So we got it quality output without zero defect we cannot say, but yes, our test for coverage quality and all. We find this.
And a demo.
Yeah, a demo. That's a very important stuff. Yes. Okay. So the idea is that we'll play some small game, alright? And I am a business owner. I am looking for dollar values, and my dollar values I will earn the more tennis point you will give me. And I am expecting that you are a self-organizing team, right? We'll play for 3 iterations. Every iteration will be 2 minutes, and then the 60-second will be the planning. 30-second will be planning. 2 minutes is the iteration. 30-second is the you need to evaluate what you did and all, right? That you need to do. Again, we'll go for the second iteration and then third iteration. Now you understand what's a tennis point? Tennis point is nothing but I'll give a ball, tennis ball, and it has to flow through all the team members. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, it has to be the airtight. You cannot just take it and put it in someone's hands, right? It has to, you need to throw it or airtight, right? Just pour it and then you capture it. Rule number 3, you cannot give it to your left and right. We have to always give it, see who are the front, not your left and right. So the ball should go through all participants, right? The idea is that you are a production unit. My requirement should flow from UI, business readiness, business analysis, development, UI, UAT, SIT, architecture, and then it come to me. Then I can identify it's a fully developed product. Similarly, when you choose from Bangalore to Trivandrum or from source to destination, the agile way of coming through flight, then you can choose which flight also you are taking. Similarly, way you took your agile journey, but you choose which flavors you are going, either Scrum or XP or any other framework you are going to use. Right? So that's what I did. I choose agile and I choose specific framework, which is Scrum is nothing but my Indigo. So in agile is a big terminology, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? We say that there are different frameworks of agile. One is that Scrum, extreme programming, feature-driven development, RUP, DSDN, ASD, open source, Lean, RAD. There are so many others coming up, scaled agile, right? So all these are the frameworks of agile. Is that clear to all of you, my friends?
Yeah.
All are the frameworks of agile, right? So agile is a terminology. It's a big umbrella. Under there are so many frameworks are available. So framework is giving you a choice, the practices, and you choose which one you like. It's not a methodology.